In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rent on Craigslist. Craigslist is a popular online platform for finding rental properties, and with a few simple steps, you'll be navigating it like a pro. So let's dive in and explore how you can efficiently find your next rental home using Craigslist. Firstly, go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the Craigslist website. Make sure you're on the version of the site for your specific area. This is important as Craigslist is divided into different regions and cities. You'll want to ensure you're looking at listings that are relevant to your location. Once you're on the Craigslist homepage for your area, take a look at the top left corner of the page. You'll see a search bar there. Type the word rent into this search bar. This will help you focus your search and bring up relevant listings for rental properties in your area. It's a simple trick, but it's a great way to quickly home in on what's available. After entering your search term, you'll want to click on the Housing section. This category is specifically designed for property-related listings, including rentals. By selecting Housing, you ensure that you're only looking at housing options and not other unrelated listings. Now that you're in the Housing section, you'll see a variety of rental listings. This is where you can start to browse through the available options. Take your time to look at each listing. You can sort and filter them based on your preferences, such as price range, number of bedrooms, and other amenities that are important to you. When you find a rental listing that catches your eye, click on it for more details. You'll want to read through the entire description carefully. Make sure to check the rental terms, the monthly rent amount, any additional fees, and the contact information for the landlord or property manager. If everything looks good and you're interested in the property, reach out to the contact person listed in the ad. You can do this by using the contact information provided, which is usually an email address or phone number. Be polite and express your interest in the property. It's a good idea to ask any questions you have, such as the lease duration, pet policies, or whether utilities are included. Remember, Craigslist can be a great resource for finding rental properties, but it's important to be cautious. Be mindful of scams and never send money or personal information until you're certain of the legitimacy of the listing. Meeting in person and seeing the property before making any commitments is always a wise decision. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be well on your way to finding a great rental on Craigslist. Good luck with your search and happy house hunting.